Hello everyone, welcome to one of our quick tip tutorial about what is a MAC address. So if you're wondering what is a MAC address, if you are browsing the internet, let's say you want information to be sent to you from the internet, your device or computer uses what we call an IP address to communicate. This address only reaches up to your modem or to the modem of your home. And we'll need what we call a MAC address to further direct the information to the proper device in your network. A MAC address is also known as a Media Access Controller. It is a unique identifier for a physical permanent address that is assigned to a network interface controller by the device manufacturer. It is used as a network address for network devices such as routers, Wi-Fi, computer system units, and even your mobile phones. Any NIC or network interface controller will contain a physical address known as MAC address. It is a unique physical address that identifies your device in a network. So if you unplug your device from a network and then reconnect it to another network, your device will always have the same MAC address. So how do we identify your MAC address? There are a number of ways to identify the MAC address of your device, and here are some of them. First, we can maximize the use of the control panel. So if you're using a Windows 10 operating system, you can go to the taskbar and type in the search box the words control panel. From there, the control panel dialog box will open. And then, what you need to do is to go to the network and internet options, and under that, click on the view network status and task. You will be directed to the Network Status and Sharing Directory, or the Network Sharing Center. So from there, click on the currently active connection. It is just below the access type description, which you will see on the bottom right side of the View Your Basic Network Information and Setup Connections. Depending on the current network connection you are using, you may see a wired or wireless connection in this option. Just click on that option. And as you can see here, in this case, we have an Ethernet connection or a wired connection. This will open the Ethernet dialog box. Then click on the Details command button. The Network Connection Details dialog box will appear on your screen. You will see under the details the label Physical Address, and that is the MAC address of your device. Another way to look for your MAC address will be through the network icon on your desktop. You can see your network icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Just look for the arrow symbol pointing up if you cannot find the network icon. This will prompt you with a pop-up tip saying Show Hidden Icons. From there, look for the network icon, right-click on the mouse button, and a drop-down list will appear from where you can choose to open the network and internet settings. Once you click on that option, it will open the network status dialog box. Choose the Change Adapter options, and this will direct you to the Network Connections dialog box. Right-click on the mouse button to open a drop-down list and choose the network that you want to view the status, and choose the status option. From there, you just follow the same steps we did earlier and click on the Details command button, and then you will see there that the physical address is found in our network connection details. Another way to look for your MAC address will be to use the ncpa.cpl command. But first, let me just show you here. If we go back to the control panel and we choose the View Network Status and Task, you will see here the Change Adapter Settings option. That will also direct you to the Network Connections dialog box, and will also be enabling you to check for the status of your connection and look for your MAC address. So now, if we want to use the ncpa.cpl command, we just need to type the run command and click on the run app, and from there type the ncpa.cpl command, and once you click OK, it will automatically direct you to the network's connection dialog box, and from there you can again do the procedures that we did earlier, from where we click on the details and we can check for the physical address of our device. Another method of checking for your MAC address will be to use the command prompt commands. So go to the search box of your taskbar, then type CMD, and this will open your terminal or command prompt. After opening the command prompt, type the ipconfig-all command on the screen, and all available devices and details that would also contain the physical address or MAC address of your device will be available for you to view. So another option will be to also use the getMAC command. This will show you and display the available physical addresses in your network. So that will be all, everyone. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and hopefully you were able to understand what a MAC address is and how you can look for and identify the MAC address of your computer or your device.